morning, friends. My name is Ankush Gupta here at the Gate Coach, and today I'm here to announce the result, announce the winners of the test, the chemical engineering mock test which we held yesterday. Gate 2021 chemical engineering mock test from 2 to 5, open for all, means all chemical engineering aspirants who are preparing for Gate 2021 exam. Okay, and there are few things I want to tell you before I announce the result, the winners. Okay, one thing is we, the Gate Coach, as a coaching institute, encourage the hardworking, honest students to prepare for the competitive exams and try to help all of them to reach their ultimate goal. Okay, it may be PSUs, IITs, or something else. Regarding the test, we got few complaints from some students, like their friends try to cheat in the exam. They search the questions on Google and answered the questions from there without doing any calculation, without doing any hard work. So let me tell you guys, we are the coaching institute, and as a coaching institute, our work is to compile all the good information from all the available sources to all of you, so that as a student you don't need to go everywhere. You can get all the related good information related competitive exam at one place. Okay, good questions, good quality questions at one place. So that's what we do with our honesty, with our hard work, that you must have already seen in our test series, where you may have found the good quality questions. Okay, we are working hard for that, and we are improving every year to make the things better for all of you. Now, regarding the test, see, we started a test. We just organized one test for all of you. We want to encourage the students who are preparing for the GATE 2021 exam in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Although the things are little tough, because we are not allowed to move outside our home to go to some institutes, to go to the college or something else because of the situations. Okay, still the people who are working hard, who are trying, who are preparing for the GATE 2021 exam, so to encourage them, we organize this test so that we can reward them, and after getting the reward they can get motivated and they work even more harder for the upcoming GATE exam. Okay, so if still any one of you tried to cheated in the exam, we don't know and we don't want to know even. Okay, that is your honesty, because ultimately the people who did appear in this exam with full honesty, they must be able to evaluate themselves on genuine parameters, and they must have been known that on which situation, on which topic they are lacking, so that they can perform better, they can prepare better in the next 3-4 months which are remaining before the exam. Okay, so let's come to the point, the rewards. So as I told you in the last video, that we will give the rewards on this parameter. Around 300 plus students appeared in the test at the given time. Out of those 300 plus students, we have compiled the data of top 100 students. Okay, because the test was held on 3-4 servers, and so it took some time for us. First ranker will get 11,000 rupees, second ranker 6,000, third ranker 3,000. The fourth and fifth ranker will get full recorded lecture videos. And if you are already a GATE Coach student, then you can transfer these rewards to your fellow students or fellow friends. Okay, the transfer amount is just 1,000 rupees. Okay, ultimately your friend who has to pay all the amount for this, all the course fees for this part, full recorded lectures, he does not have to pay anything. He just need to pay only 1,000 rupees, the transfer amount, which you can pay or your friend can pay. That is your choice. Okay, 6th to 10th will get 5 recorded lecture videos. So this is your choice. which 5 subjects you want as a recorded lecture. Next people will get 2 recorded lectures, 21 to 30 test series and GATE previous year questions booklet, and 31 to 50 test series. So to get all these rewards, what you need to do now, just mail us on gate.tgc@gmail.com or otherwise delhi.tgc@gmail.com. Okay, and what you need to mail? You need to mail your name, your college ID or Aadhaar ID, whatever you want for proof that yes, this is you, your mobile number, so that we can contact you, we can create your things. Your email ID will already be there because we will send the mail through your active email ID. And last, you need to mention your rank. Sorry, rank we know. You need to mention your address. Okay, so that we can courier the GATE previous year solutions hard copy to you. Okay. And for the people, just mail all these 4 things: your mobile number, college ID, name and address. Okay, so that we can send the rewards to you, and we can create your IDs on these portals, so that you can get the access of recorded lectures, videos, GATE previous year solution test series, all these stuff. Okay, and the top 3 people, the result which I wanna tell you is compiled, and here are the winners. You can see by yourself. Okay, we are not showing the marks because you can understand this will be some difficult thing. For some of the student to digest that, okay, these are the marks. So there are the winners, guys. You can see the first, just based on the facts, on the data, we have created these results. The winner is Karan Arya, who got first rank in the exam. Congratulations, Karan. Second is Manvendra Prajapati. Congratulations, Manvendra. And third is Arnav Bhosle. Congratulations to you. And congratulations to all the other people who are in this list. Okay, you can see. 4th Kusum Kumari, 5th Chetan Singh, 6th Manoj Sharma, 7th Karamveer Panda, 8th Praful Shivare, 9th Varsha Pathak, 10th Abhinav Sharma, 11th Yash Malviya, 12th Nikhil Jaiswal, 13th Priyanka, 14th Anantu, Pakki Balu, Salman, Sahir Sarwar, Shubham Joshi, Vikram Singh, Anand Yadav, Nilansh Saxena, Mohammad Kaleem Khan, Rohit, Vishal Agrawal, Hamid Raja Kadri, Shantanu Mohanty, Shubham Singh, Ashish Kumar, Ashish Teni, Afroz Alam, Bharat, I don't know, sorry. Anjali Sindhu, Aditya Singh Rajput, Shivam Kumar, Leena Bhatia, Akhil Raj, Ravi Kumar, Vinod Kumar Meena, Sarthak Roy, Parmanand Maurya, Payodhi Chandak, Jishnu, Grishma Joseph, Sagar Verma, Ajay Bhai. Congratulations, Sagar. You are once again made to the toppers list. But it will be more grateful to see you in the GATE 2021 toppers list again. Okay, Shiva, Ramesh, Mona, Simran, Atisha, Abhishek, Monu Singh, Pulkit Narang, so many people are there, guys. Okay, so obviously I can't share the name of all the people. So whoever of you is watching the video, just mail these things on our mail ID, name, college ID, email, mobile number and your address. Okay, so that you can get the results, you can get the rewards. And to the 3 toppers, Karan, Manvendra and Arnav Bhosle, as we promised, we are going to give the cash rewards today only. We are not waiting like other organizations to give the rewards for long. We will give the rewards on the same day. Okay, so the people like Karan, Manvendra and Arnav, see, we have already cut the check on your name. Okay, now just share your account details, bank name, whatever account details means your bank name, IFSC bank name, account number, your name and if there is any spelling error or your name is different on your bank details, then you can mention that. Okay, call us on our numbers which are already there to get your rewards. This is the check of 11,000 rupees for Karan Arya, the first prize. Manvendra Prajapati, second prize, 6,000 rupees. And Arnab Bhosle, 3,000 rupees, third prize. Okay, if you share your account number, we will deposit the check by today itself. And otherwise, if you need the amount through account NEFT or in any other mode, just call us. We will transfer that amount. Okay, so that's all for the day, guys. And one more thing, for all those people who give the test with honesty and was not able to get the good marks, okay, in this exam. So I will tell you one thing, that now you must have understood that whatever things you are preparing or your preparation strategy, that is not working. Okay, although we cannot judge that just by one test, you can give the test series which are already there to check yourself, but otherwise I will say your preparation strategy you have to change, you have to improve. Okay, and for that improvement, the people who got the rewards may get the subject videos of those lectures, of those subjects in which you are lacking. Otherwise, the people who are not in the top 50, unfortunately, work hard and you can opt for our course, because after discussing, on the request of so many students, we have decided that we are going to start a crash course, a 75 days crash course program for all the students who want to prepare, who want to give the finishing touch for their finishing touch to their preparations, to their subjects, so that they can do good in the upcoming GATE 2021 exam. So the crash course which we are going to start, that is on November 1st. Okay, mark the date, 1st November 2020. Okay, that will be a 75 days crash course in which we will try to cover the entire syllabus in 75 days. We will tell you the preparation strategies, how can you prepare yourself in the next 75 days from November 1 for the GATE 2021 exam. And the people who did their self-studies, they can also opt for this crash course to give the finishing touch to their studies. Okay, to do the quick revision, you can say. Okay, the fees of this course will be manageable, quite low. This is not like our live course program, which is starting from 30,000, 35,000. Okay, the fees of this course will be low. For that, you can contact on the official numbers. Okay, in case you don't have, let me write once more time for all of you. 9873452122, 9818652587. So these are the official numbers, guys, on which you can call regarding these courses, regarding this course, regarding other courses, regarding the test series, all other stuff, and for your rewards as well. So congratulations to all the top performers, top 50 performers, and best of luck to all of you for your upcoming test series and GATE exam, and all the best to all of the people who tried hard to do good in this exam but didn't. Maybe your hard work, your efforts were little low. Okay, anyways, you don't need to get demotivated about this. Just work hard, keep working hard. For any guidance, for any preparation tips, we are always here. You can contact us, no problem. So thank you, guys. See you